Good afternoon, guys. So I'm here right now at skate park, the annex of Esplanade 1. I'm here because of we're gonna do some macro shots, which is kind of rare in Iloilo. So this is, we're gonna be with Mam Sha. She's there, and then we're gonna use cell phone camera with macro lens adapter, and then as well as if you have an SLR, you can have a Nikon camera like this one. So
connected with extension too.
yes,
We
and
use
then
3. It's like we have 12, 20 and 36, but you can use them one at a time if you wanted. But if you use 3,
so
it's
3
much
of them
better
will
for you.
do the magnification.
Yes.
When you add 3 of this.
Yes, so just like 1:1, it will like 3 point something. It depends on how you use your macro lens.
How about if I buy like maybe 100 mm?
Oh,
Just one, for
and then-
example, 100 mm instead of 3.
instead of 3. So my camera, I will explain first. So my lens is 105 mm.
So this is
macro
a zoom lens, fixed 105
Yes,
millimeter.
105.
Okay.
And then because I am not satisfied of 1:1, sometimes you find
So you need
smaller lenses.
more
I
magnification.
decided to have another 3 extension tube
Okay.
built in together and attached with the 105, so it gives you higher magnification. It's
Okay.
just like instead of 1.1, 1:1.
So we have now a visitor like over
Yes, I already
So
see that.
there. You can
It's
also
always
take
like,
a photo of that.
yeah, we can show you with that one later, and I will try to take
So
a
we'll
photo.
try to take
But
a picture
first,
of that.
let's show to you this one
Okay.
using the phone with the macro
Lens.
lens connected to the phone. So it's up to you whether it doesn't matter what's your phone, as long as you have
The adapter.
the adapter. Then I show you how it
So you can see, guys, the magnification is
like that.
maybe times 20 or 50
Yeah, it's
maybe.
bigger. So I think this one,
What kind of beetle is that?
I think this one is a weevil. This one, because it's moving. I will try to put it on my finger so I can see it very
So the thing with the macro shooting is you have to rely on small objects, find
So-
some small objects or bugs to take a photo.
So taking macro is not easy. They said it's easy, but it's not. It's because you need to use everything that cannot be seen but by our naked eye can be seen, and also you can appreciate the beauty of the insects
Okay.
actually.
Yes.
So small. Okay, so let's try.
So you
I put it on my
in
finger.
your finger or your
Or
in your
on my
hand,
thumb.
and then you
Let's
take
try.
the picture.
Because yeah, it's a weevil. Okay, so you can
So
see.
as long as you have a macro lens, you can take a picture instantly.
For your information, I don't kill insects. I grew them. Yeah, it's a weevil.
Okay.
So we also have a small little ant on my phone. See?
So this
So
is
you can
roughly
see.
like how many millimeters?
Oh my god.
This is,
I
I
don't know.
think, 3.
3 millimeters maybe, yes. 2 or 3 depends. So Let's
you
try.
can discover worlds of the insects in this sense.
it's not easy because you need to be stable. Your hand, your phone, everything.
Yes.
The worst enemy is wind and the air. You see that? It's very tiny. You can see the eyes and then the nose.
So you have to be at a precise moment to take the picture.
That's it.
It seems it has like a long tongue or something.
Yeah, that's why we will have a long nose or something, and then it's like a beetle at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes up there. Okay.
So we're gonna also put in the video the pictures we have taken,
Yeah.
and maybe some
So-
of the video clips.
One more thing is I bring my, another one is the insect eggs. I show you guys, you can already see. I think it's almost out, so that's why I bring it with
So
me.
it's trying to hatch.
Yes,
So the dark ones are hatching already.
that's the youngest one. The orange dark
okay.
one are the old ones. So see, if you just look at it in your own eyes, you cannot see that.
Yes.
With this one, you can actually see their mouth and their eyes.
Ah, I see. So the dots are the eyes or
Yes,
the
the
head?
mouth.
Ah, the mouth.
Yes, see. This one, the one with the white one, almost. I think it's breaking already. Yeah.
So later on we're gonna try to post some pictures as well, and
That's
maybe
how
some
it's-
videos.
We find another
So
one
what we're doing right now is scouting some insects.
here.
Okay. So this one is.
I'm
what?
not pretty sure if it's a stink bug, a family of stink bug, because it's color orange. I need to check
bit
with
bigger.
my phone, so we will know.
So we will do the.
But I
process of
really like
one.
this one because it's
Colorful.
there's a lot of details and the colors is very pretty.
Ah, okay.
Family of beetles. Yeah. Wait lang kay
That is
So
Johnny.
you ready? Wait, sir. We're trying to transfer to another one because we are disturbing them. Sorry. This is their special moment, but we are so naughty. We are actually disturbing the. Here, sir. Okay. Wait. I will try to make it safe. Okay, wait. Let me. Sir, what happened back to the wala na pa. And then when you take the insects, you should be very, very gentle. Where they can not really. Okay, so let's try this one so you can see the details of this insect, which is very nice. Here, sir. So they are bigger, so I will not zoom in very, very close. So, there. You see the details?
Yes.
It's pretty good. It's really pretty. So actually they are mating, but we are disturbing them. So sorry. So this is how they mate. I turn it around gently so I can shoot under. There. So here we go. There it goes.
Yeah. So this is what type of bug?
These are maybe my guess is like it's family of stink bug.
Okay.
Kung sa ato nila baho-baho.
Ah, baho.
Stink
But
bug,
there are
beetles.
different kinds.
Yeah, there are many families.
Okay.
I'm not really good at it, but every time I shoot, I have to try to find find the real name and exact.
So you can just look it up on the internet.
Yes, I will try to check and then I'll give you the info, sir. See, green bugs.